Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to explain you about the layout. What is layout? What is the purpose of layout? Because this is a very important question they will ask you in the interview. What is layout? What is the purpose of layout? What are the types of layout? So basically, but first let's create the one project. So it's going to be the widgets application. Click on choose. I'm going to in this video I'm going to explain the vertical layout. So Q vertical box. I have given the name of the project, and let's next and click on compiler. No need of the git. Finish. Just wait for 10 seconds. Okay, so now the project is now created. So click on the form. So this is our UI page. So in this UI page we can add our button and apply the layout. So there are the two tab, and how you can apply the layout. You can apply the layout by using here, clicking on the layout vertically, the layout horizontally, or either you can apply through the code. But first let's learn what is layout. So here I have written the vertical box layout. Just click on there, and in this so what is layout? Basically this is the class used to conduct vertical box layout object, and this is the code. This you can apply. So this is the advantage of using reading the documentation. Just build habit to read the documentation, because you will get so many like a example code that you can practice and apply. So this is the code that he has written to how to apply the layout in dynamic form, and this is the result you will get after applying vertical layout. And these there are so many other function also. So let's go here and click on the UI and take some button. So I have taken the 5 button, and before applying the layouts, first run this code. And this is my button, but it is not in align way, or it is not in align, and this there is no layout is applied here. So what is the what is the purpose of layout? What is the advantage of layout? Basically, what is the purpose of layout? What is the advantage of layout? Suppose in future this is my screen size. Wait, just run this is my screen size. Suppose if the user want to reduce the screen size to 5 inch or 4 inch, so according to that screen, these all the widget will adjust according to the screen. No need to reduce the size of this button again to for going. So if you apply the layout, so this is the good habit to you need to apply the layout to every button, because if in case in the future, if you want to if the size of your UI is reduced, so no need to adjust everything again in future. So all this button you are going to do, no, it just apply the layout, and you can directly it will reduce the size according to the your UI. And this is my central widget where I have all these buttons. So this is my central widget, and this is all button. So in that central widget we are adding our button. So first I am going to show you how to apply the layout using the code. But let's apply. But first let's include. So in this video I will apply the vertical layout, so that's why we are adding Q vertical box layout. And then let's first create our central widget, Q, not Q widget, and we are taking, so this is my object name, central widget equal to new Q widget, and pass our current current object name. And now, so I have I have created the central widget where I have to add all my button. And then let's create a vertical layout. So Q vertical box layout, and give the object name layout, equal to new Q vertical box layout, and this vertical box layout is where it is applied in our central widget, right, in our central widget. So that's why we have to pass in that our object name of the central widget, central widget. So my layout is now created, layout is created, that is vertical layout, right? And now I have to add all the button in this layout. How you are going to add? So just call your object name layout and call one function, that is add widget. And where is my widget? Widget is my on the UI page, so that's why we are calling the UI, and push button 1. Same I have to add all, so let's just copy paste 1 2 3 4. I think we have 4 button I have taken, no 5, so I have to take 5 copies, and this I will call 2, and this will 3 4 and 5. So my 5 button is now created. So now let's apply the layout. So I have applied the layout in my central widget. So let's set the central widget, set central widget, call the set central widget function. So this will set our central widget. Central widget is in the layout, so just call this central widget, that is in the layout. So we are calling the object central widget. So this is now the code part is now the done. So let's build first, then run, and let's run this code. So now see, the layout is now applied. So according to see, this is how I am reducing the size of the screen, and according to the size of the screen the button size is also reduced. So this is the advantage of layout, you can reduce to any size. So this is the advantage of layout, because in so the purpose of layout is this, the button and the widgets will not get overlap, and it will not get overlap. All the button will adjust the size according to the size of the screen. So this is the advantage of the purpose of the layout. So I hope you understand how to apply the how to upset the layout dynamically through the code. And there is also another way to, like you can also apply, but just select all this button, or no need to select this button, you just select the central widgets and click here. This is vertical layout. So this is how all the button is all our button is adjust according to the size. So this is how the vertical layout works. So I have shown you through two things, through the code also and through here also. You can choose according to your work. So I hope you understand this vertical layout. In the next video I will explain you horizontal layout. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. I will try to answer in the next video. Thank you so much.